So I wanted to talk about the difference between knowledge and execution. Now, Gary Vee once said, or he usually uses this analogy a lot, the only way that you can get the results from push-ups is not by reading about how to do the perfect push-up, but it's actually getting on the ground and doing the push-ups. That's how you're going to get the results. And I think that resonated with me so much because there's a lot of times where I come across some people, and I think everybody falls victim to it, right? At a certain extent of in their journey and stuff like that. And so I think that a lot of times people are mistaking doing the research, watching the videos, studying up on stuff, making sure they know all of the facts and all the details, and they mistake that with actual execution. The only way that you're going to get results in your business or get results in anything in life is actually executing on the thing. The best experience and the best learnings that you can get is by trial and error, right? Do your research, find out what to do, what not to do, take people's, experiences and try to learn from it so you don't have to repeat the same mistakes. But don't get too caught up in the studying. Don't get too caught up in the learnings. Don't get too caught up in these YouTube videos and tutorials and things of that nature. Make sure that you're also executing. It's a two-part process, right? You have to figure out the information, but then you also have to put it in practice. And so again, like I see, a lot of times people are using the excuse of, oh, I'm watching this video, as actually doing something versus actually doing something, if that makes sense. And so I just wanted to make this quick video. It's something that was on my mind in terms of knowledge versus the execution. You always want to make sure that you are trying the things and applying the things, because sometimes it's not going to work, right? What you read about, or maybe you watch a video that was posted 6 months ago, even if you watch a current video that somebody's talking about their experience, it may not translate with what you're doing. So you have to always understand that your experience, your take on things are probably going to be different. And of course, this doesn't apply to when you're learning a trade and there's specific ways of how to do stuff. But I'm talking more of if you're building a business, if you're starting something from scratch that doesn't have a manual, right? Business entrepreneurship, there's no user guide for this. Like, we had to figure things out of what worked for us. And what works for you might not be what worked for us. And something that didn't work for us might work for you. So the only way that you're going to be able to learn and to be able to figure that out is if you're actually applying the information, you're actually trying and doing things. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand that it's about the execution, and it's about the learnings that you get from that and the experience that's really going to get you to that next level and really give you the knowledge base and the experience and the muscle memory of being able to adapt to situations, right? Not everything is going to go right all the time, and you're going to be able to understand how do you adapt quickly on your feet and think quickly on your feet. If you're just reading about it, you don't really know what it's going to look like in practice. So just make sure that you're out there executing on your plans and making it happen. And yeah, I wanted to make this video, something that was on my mind. That's why I like having this YouTube setup now. I could come in here and turn the camera on and make these like little quick videos and just kind of like share my thoughts. So I hope this was valuable, and I hope it's something that you are going to apply to your situation.